Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a clean and decorate after Christmas video. Today I am decorating my entire main living space. For winter, I'm going with a really pretty, cozy, neutral theme that I'm excited to share with you. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm sharing a mini home tour, just kind of showing you the decorated spaces. So if you need a little inspiration today and you want to know how to decorate after Christmas, keep on watching. I'm excited to announce that today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Sarah from Sarah aka Mommy. She is also decorating her home after Christmas, doing a farmhouse everyday look that I know you guys are gonna love and be inspired by. Sarah is such a sweet, kind, genuine person. I absolutely love her as a friend in person as well as a YouTuber. I really respect her content and love everything that she puts out. So make sure you go check out her video after watching mine today and subscribe and let her know that I sent you. So a theme you'll see throughout this entire video is that I decorate with a very neutral color palette. I do this because it's very peaceful and calming this time of year. I do it because it makes moving pieces around a lot easier and it's easier to refresh a space. But I mainly do this because it makes decorating for the spring months a lot easier. All I'll have to do is add a couple of florals, maybe a pop of color here and there, and then I'll be good to go. If you're coming over from Sarah's channel or maybe you're just new around here, I wanted to say welcome and I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you join my YouTube family. I decided to add those charcoal velvet pillows to these white chairs because I felt like the contrast was really pretty and looked really pretty for winter. I found them at IKEA and they were super inexpensive. This window pane I found at a flea market years ago. I don't even remember how long it's been. It's been a long time, but I added this wreath I found at Kirkland's probably about 2 years ago, and I love it for just everyday use. I feel like it works in every season. And now I just added some candlesticks. They add some nice height to this table, and originally I had that glass vase, but decided to swap it out for a white pitcher and this pretty vase that I recently found at Kirkland's as well. And now that the area is all decorated, I'm lighting my vanilla and fig candle from Anthropologie. It smells so good. So we have plenty of real life mom moments over here on my channel, this being one of them. Graham kept wanting to stand on this bench over and over again. I was trying to wipe it down, getting it decorated, and he just kept popping up and wanting to stand here. So eventually I gave in and I let him stay here, but I ended up putting this wreath, which is also from Kirkland's. It's where I tend to buy a lot of my wreaths at, and these really pretty, just kind of patterned gray pillows. They added a little texture over here, and look at Graham patting the pillow. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Okay, so I'm not really doing any decorating in here, but I wanted to get the kitchen fresh and clean like the rest of the house, so I'm just quickly picking it up and I'm gonna wipe down the counters. But I am so upset, you guys. This is a really pretty valance that I had planned on hanging above the kitchen sink, and I could not find the curtain rod anywhere, so I guess that'll just be in the next video.
Trust in our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if
I picked up this really cute faux greenery at Target the other day, and I loved it so much because I feel like it looks really realistic, but you'll see it move a couple of times throughout the video. I think it finally lands right next to the sink.
I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky
I'm wiping down all of the surfaces with my Young Living Concentrated Thieves Cleaner. I love this stuff. It smells great and you can use it on so many surfaces and it's really good for you. So I've pretty much been using this 100% of the time on everything. I've been kind of starting to stray away from chemicals and toxic cleaners and those kinds of things. Now, I'm not 100% perfect by any means, but I'm slowly but surely trying to make that change. Since I just finished the dishes, I'm just gonna quickly scrub out this sink. I'm just using soft scrub, and this is by far my favorite kitchen chore. It just makes the kitchen feel really fresh and it smells good too.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you.
And moving right along, the next thing I'm going to do is add this magnolia wreath to the door that leads out to our deck and wipe down the table. And then I'm going to add, I bought a new runner at Kirkland's the other day just because I felt like my other one was getting really grungy and it could only be hand washed because it was burlap. So I just figured it was time for a new one and I picked up this gray plaid. I went back and forth on what I wanted to do here on the table and I just kept it really simple. I always have this white pitcher sitting on the table and I decided to add white flowers. I thought it just looked really farmhousey and simple and pretty for the winter time.
I just don't know what to do if you go.
I decided to keep the Christmas greenery around my chandelier. I thought it was so pretty and I added back this runner that I normally keep on the table year round. And I decided to swap out that vase and greenery for this scale. I'm going to add some little touches of greenery to it. I just feel like it looked a lot more balanced. That vase was just too much greenery with the greenery on the chandelier. And here on the hutch, I'm not trying to overthink it too much. I'm just adding back a few pieces that I had on it back in the summertime, just some pops of greenery. I added those glass vases. This is basically my leftover decor. I didn't want to go out and buy any more decor, so I'm just using what I have. It's not perfect, it's not ideal. This shelf isn't ideal either, but it'll get me through the winter months, and then come spring, I'll probably freshen it up again. If you've made it this far in the video, first of all, thank you. And secondly, I'm so excited because this family room was by far my favorite transformation that I've ever done. I am so happy with how this space turned out. It feels so cozy and airy and inviting, and I absolutely love spending time in here. It's just so beautiful. So the first thing you saw there was I added some pillows to the couches. Again, super neutral. And here I'm just adding a picture frame to kind of warm up the space, and then I'm going to go ahead and diffuse some essential oils here. I'm just doing the Citrus Fresh blend, which I believe is lemon, orange, and grapefruit.
I just don't know what to do if you go.
These really pretty floral bouquets are from Hobby Lobby, and they added the perfect touch to these mason jars. And a sweet subscriber suggested that I used Bind My Wandering Heart to Thee on my chalkboard, and as soon as I saw that comment, I was super excited and knew that's exactly what I wanted to do because Valentine's Day is coming up and I thought it was just really appropriate. And now moving on to the ottoman. I get a lot of questions about this ottoman. It's from Wayfair. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. But I just have this cozy knit throw and a tray, and I decided to add these candlesticks, and I love the way that it turned out. The mirror here in the corner is new and I love it. I love the contrast and the character that it adds to the space. It totally changes everything. And this pillow that's here on the chair as well as on the couches are from Kirkland's. I really love their pillow selections. And here I'm just adding some greenery. Again, it's from Hobby Lobby. Go check them out whenever they're on sale. They have the best deals on greenery. Moving right along to my mantle, I was super excited to just kind of freshen up this space, and I actually had already kind of figured out what I wanted to do with it beforehand. My mom was in town and her and I spent like 30 or 40 minutes playing around with it while she was here, so I took everything off to wipe it down, but I kind of already had an idea, and I love the way that the space turned out. I thought these books added some fun character, and I love that I was able to incorporate some family pictures and just really warm up this space. So I'm absolutely thrilled with how this is looking, and these white beads came from Kirkland's as well as this vase. I thought it was so beautiful. As soon as I saw it, I just had to pick it up. And now that everything is all decorated, I'm just going to quickly give everything a good vacuuming so that the space feels really clean and airy and fresh. Like I said before, I am super happy with how this family room turned out. I love it. I love the transformation. And now that I am all done decorating the main living space, we're gonna go ahead and kind of walk through a little bit of a tour just so you can kind of see the big picture and how all of the rooms look together.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you some decor ideas and inspiration. If you did like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That really does help me out. Say hi in the comments. I love connecting with you guys, and I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye guys.